Hello students, today we are going to solve this question which is from class 10 subject biology and chapter is our environment. So the question asked here is why should biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste be discarded in separate dustbins? Okay, see, biodegradable waste are those waste which can be broken down by the decomposers easily. Okay, and non-biodegradable waste are that waste that cannot be degraded and that needs to be treated and converted or recycled. Okay, so here let us understand what are biodegradable waste and what are non-biodegradable waste. Okay, जो हमारा ऐसा waste होता है that can be decomposed by the bacteria or the decomposers, that kind of waste is called as biodegradable waste. Okay, so non biodegradable वो waste होगा that can be recycled after treatment. Okay, it cannot be decomposed, it cannot be broken down by the bacteria or the microorganisms. Right, such kind of waste is non-biodegradable. So examples here will be for biodegradable, we can say the vegetables or the fruit peels or the tea leaves. All of them are biodegradable waste, and non-biodegradable will include cans like metallic cans, plastic waste, etc. Okay, they cannot be degraded. Okay, so here the question is that why they should be separately discarded. Okay, see, अगर हम उन दोनों टाइप के वेस्ट को एक साथ डिस्कार्ड करेंगे, then there will be toxic production. Okay, toxic will produced due to their mixing, right? And this will cause the foul smell production, and that will automatically cause the pollution. Okay, and second thing here will be, there will be difficulty in the treatment and recycling of the non-biodegradable waste. Right. So this is the reason why we should separately discard both types of waste. I hope the answer is clear. Thank you for watching our video. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel.